Hey guys, I'm going to show you guys how to use your GoPro, the remote, and attach this little finger mount that you would typically find on the actual GoPro itself. I'm going to attempt to install this on the back of the camera, or on the back of the remote here. I already drilled some pilot holes to the back of this just by simple measuring, looking at that. Sorry for the crazy shadows, but ideally as I want it to connect to this, which is a standard GoPro mount, so hopefully I can have some success rather than using the standard wrist strap that comes with the remote itself. So here we go. I will be using these small screws here. They're Phillips head. I know the finger mounts aren't going to sit flush, but given with what I have, I'm going to go ahead and use this to install. I'm trying to get this to focus. I will be putting some glue down and some double sticky tape just on the inside to give it a little bit of space. Hopefully it works out. Alright, so I got my screws and double-sided sticky tape in place, and I'm going to go ahead and just kind of screw these into the back of the remote itself. Alright guys, after some tightening down on all 4 bolts, it seems to be pretty stable, pretty sturdy. The tabs don't fold down completely flat, but that's because of the bolts that I'm using at this time. But for starters, I think this is pretty decent. What you think? Works?